Hey everybody, here at Avon Protection we get a lot of questions about how should I store my mask for long-term storage. With every mask sale we provide a face form. So all you simply do is loosen your straps on the mask, take the face form with the chin protrusion towards the chin cup of the mask, place into the mask, and tighten your head harness around the back of the face form. Now the face form has been secured into the mask. Simply place on a shelf, make sure that the mask is in this orientation to where the mask is pressing into the face form, and you're good to go. Now why would I want to do this? I want to do this to make sure that the seal, the edge of the mask, isn't going to be contorted when I pull it out of storage. I want to make sure that that seal is going to continue to seal appropriately around my face and make sure there's also no discomfort as well. So with that being said, why would I want to store my mask for a long term? Say you're out of the field. Say you're off the streets for a little while if you're a cop. Say you are just storing it away because you have a surplus of masks. Either way, you want to place it inside of that face form and make sure that when you pull it out, it's still ready and serviceable for use. Additionally, you can place this inside of the carrier bags if you needed to, so long as the entire orientation looks like this with the mask on the face form and then on the table. If you have any questions about this, please reach out to Avon Customer Service, place an inquiry, and we'll reach out back to you as soon as we can.